All right, boys and girls. So I'm going to let you in on a couple little secrets with comparing fractions. Now, you have to have a picture in your head of what these fractions look like. So it's pretty easy if we're comparing fractions that have like denominators. For instance, 1/4 and 3/4. You have a picture in your head about what 1/4 looks like. It's 1 out of 4 pieces of the whole shaded in. 3/4, it's 3 pieces of the whole, which is cut into 4 pieces, shaded in. Which one's bigger? You can figure that one out pretty easily. 3/4 is greater than 1/4, but because we read from left to right and 1/4 is on the left, we would say 1/4 is less than 3/4. That is super simple. But what happens when you have fractions that don't have like denominators? Well, when you don't have fractions with like denominators and you need to compare them, we've been working on drawing models. And you know that your model has to be the exact same size. If you're comparing 1/2 and 5/8, you have to draw 2 models. They're the exact same size. Break your first model up into halves, which are 2 pieces. Your denominator tells you the number of pieces. Break the second one up into eighths, but my wholes are the same size. I can color them in and I can compare. So by looking at this, I can tell that 5/8 is greater than 1/2, or 1/2 is less than 5/8. But I have a secret to show you. A secret that other teachers probably aren't going to tell you, so shh, keep it between us. I'm showing you in a second. You won't have to do all that drawing stuff. It's super simple. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so shh, this is top secret. Not a lot of teachers are going to tell you this, especially in 4th grade. I want you to have the picture of the fractions in your head. I want you to be able to model them. That's important. You have to have those pictures in your head. I promise you. When in doubt, draw it out in math. That's what you need to know. But here we go. There's this handy dandy little thing called a way to cross multiply and check to see which one's bigger. So easy. So easy. Watch. Shh. This is why it's top secret. Take my 9 and my 3. I'm going to multiply those together. 9 times 3 is 27. And then I'm going to take my 4 and my 6, and I'm going to multiply those together, and I get 24. Which number is bigger, 27 or 24? 27. Make your big mouth point toward the 27. So guess what? 3/4 is greater than 6/9. Mind blown. I know. Cross multiply. Cross multiplication is the teacher's secret for how you compare fractions without actually having to draw anything or find the least common denominator. You cross multiply. Whatever number is more on top,